$900 PC build. If you search this on YouTube, you will see many videos, but how is this video different from the others? Well, in this video I will show you the best PC that you can build under $900. Let's get started. Now for the processor, I've chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one costs around $164. Now with that price, it's an ultimate budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Mac B660M. This one costs around $144. Now with that price, you are going to get a very premium motherboard. You will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, a larger heatsink over the VRM section so you don't see any thermal throttling, and overall for only under $144, it's an excellent deal. Then comes the main part of a gaming PC build, the graphics card, and in this case you are using the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. This one costs around $359. Now with this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with high to ultra settings with more than 60 to 70 plus FPS easily. And not only that, you can even play games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings. So it's an excellent graphics card in this price. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. This one costs around $59. Now as you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 8,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. That's because only under $60 you are going to get a 3600 MHz RAM, which comes with those excellent white heatsink and also a fancy RGB effect on the top. And also this RAM comes with lifetime warranty. So in this price, it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we are using the Western Digital Black 500GB. This one costs around $49. Now this is a PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD, which means this is currently the fastest generation on the market. And also you will get 4000 Mbps plus read write speed, which is excellent for an SSD under $50. But I highly recommend you, if you have the budget, go with the 1TB version. That would be even better. Then for the power supply, we've chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 plus gold certified power supply. This is a 600 watt power supply, cost only $54. Now can you imagine, for only $54 you are going to get a 80 plus gold certified power supply, which also comes with 5-year plus warranty. And for the casing, I have chosen the Fantex Eclipse P300A. This one costs around $69. Now this is a very basic and minimalistic casing. It comes with a mesh front, a side tempered glass, and exhaust fan in the back. But keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like. And finally, all those components will cost you around $904. Thanks for watching.